So having watched a number of YouTube videos now explaining how to remove these side panels from the PS5, I'm not surprised that so many people have been complaining about damaging the inside inserts in attempting to do so. A lot of those videos, including one that has over 4 million views, are stating that you need to be putting a lot of pressure when pulling and they're bending the plastic and, oh no, let's not be doing any of that. So I think I've found the easiest way to remove these side panels. If you've not done this yet with your PS5, may take a little bit of practice, but you shouldn't need any force, at least not any amount of force where you are going to do any damage. So let me move things into a better position here and I'll show you how I'm doing it, which is actually quite easy once you know how. Okay, so starting off the side with the actual disk drive, as you can see, the side panel is currently on properly, and I'm going to be showing you now how to take this off. And what you want to do is start with this corner, okay, so that's the corner completely opposite to the disk drive itself. What you don't want to do at this point is start yanking this up. That's what these other videos are telling you to do. You start bending the plastic, something is going to break. The way this is going to be coming off is this whole panel. If you are standing where I am standing with the disk drive here, the panel is going to be sliding towards you. Very, very quick motion and the panel will be removed. You want to put your fingers under the corner, but let me just show you what I mean here. I don't mean, here we go, look, I don't mean right under the corner here, because that's not where the catch is. It's just a little bit on the top, okay, just past the actual corner edge, so about here. That's where you want to put your fingers and where the pressure is going to be applied. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply that pressure, a little bit of support here on the bottom so that the whole console doesn't move with you. Hold that and pull it towards me, and that's all there is to it. Notice I didn't lift the plastic up in the air while it was still connected to the PS5. Putting my fingers under is just the right amount of pressure I need to just get the unlocking mechanism to engage. Just pull it towards us and there we have it. You can see how the clips are situated there. Let's go ahead, reconnect this back up. You can see all the scratches and that from all the other methods I've tried to use to get this to work. Not a good idea, but I'm going to put this back on and then do it again so you can see it in action. Then we'll turn it round and do the other side. Okay, so that's properly connected again. Okay, I'll just lift that up to show you. So again, I'm just going to put my fingers, I'll just use 3 fingers, under the top edge, right near the corner, but not on the corner. Support the PS5 on the bottom, and look how easy that can be removed. No pressure, no chance of damaging the clips or the PS5 there. So let's pop this back on again, and then we'll turn it over. Okay, so this time, on the other side, we're going to be making use of the corner where the PS logo is situated. Okay, so when it was the other way, we were doing it from this side. Now that we've turned the console over, we're going to be doing exactly the same action, but from this side. So again, just to show you, I'm not going to be putting my fingers under the corner itself, because you would have to, again, bend the plastic a lot to get the mechanism to engage. Just around here is where I'm going to put my fingers under the actual bezel, and that should give us all the leverage we need. So once more, I'm just going to hold the bottom here, put my fingers there, and look how easy that comes off. Absolutely no pressure required. Well, very, very little amounts of pressure in comparison to what those other YouTube videos are trying to say that you need. So pop that back on, and I'll just show you that again. Fingers under, effortless. So just to clarify, if you are trying to remove your side panels on your PS5 and they're just not budging no matter how much you're pulling and tugging, you are probably doing something wrong. You need to make sure that you are lifting from the correct position, as I showed you, okay, on each edge. It is a very small sweet spot where you put your fingers, and I think a lot of the time why people are having to bend these plastic covers is because they are a little bit too close to the corners where they're putting their fingers, and that means they're having to lift the cover quite high in order to get it bent to bend just that little bit where the actual mechanism is. So get the position correct, and these will come off without any issue whatsoever. No damage to your PS5, and everybody's happy all around. So I hope the video helped, and if it did, please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for future content. I'll see you next time.